Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to introduce you to a Ferrari again. We already had it in the color red, now the same Ferrari SF90 Stradale again, from the factory fresh series 5 of 5 from 2025. In the color granite gray, I would say or describe that. However, I like this Ferrari in red better, because Ferrari has to be red in my opinion, so that's the classic Ferrari color. But now here in this gray color I actually think it looks cool, so really cool. Here with the Ferrari logo, with the little yellow element there and the Ferrari with the black horse. I like that very much. We have another Ferrari logo here on the side. Looks very good too. Here with the roof. Good, everything looks very iconic. Yes, very good vehicle, very well done by Hot Wheels. I'm also very happy that they brought the franchise back to life now. It's very cool that we got Ferrari cars again this year and hopefully next year as well. So I think there are already the first Ferraris for 2026 that have been announced. And now, as I said, we got it again in a different color. I'll show you the other two again. We have now received it again in the color yellow. I'll do it again in a separate video. I'll give you the data again quickly. The car has an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, a hybrid engine with a 7.9 kW battery. How much horsepower did he have again? I'll tell you that quickly. He has horsepower, exactly, system performance of 1000 PS, 2.5 seconds from 0 to 100, and it drives at a top speed of 340 km per hour. Ah yes, and it has a 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine with 87 HP plus keeps the electric motor, then comes to just under 1000 PS. That should have been it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to switch back in, give me a thumbs up and ciao.